In this video, I'll show you how you can trim a YouTube video after you've uploaded it. So if your video has a long outro you want to remove or a black screen, this can be useful. This can be done all inside of YouTube within the YouTube video editor. So make sure you're logged into the correct channel. Go to your channel icon, go to YouTube Studio, and from here click on the content or video section. Here you'll see all of your videos. You can choose which video that you want to trim. So I'll just choose this one here, turn off notifications for Snapchat. You need to click on the pencil icon, which will be the details section. And then from here, you need to go to this sidebar, then click on editor. Now, once you're inside of the editor, it is fairly simple. You can make some other changes, but you want to go to trim and cut. And then what you can do, you can see you've got a starting point and an end point, and you can zoom in here to make this more precise. You can go to the end and you can simply drag this to the left however long you need, and you can essentially trim or cut your video so you can trim off the end. Once you're happy, click save and it will reprocess the video and the changes will be saved in a couple of minutes. So that's how you do it. I hope that helped.